Today we're going to look at development of a cylinder. Pattern of the cylinder will be a rectangle with length equal to the perimeter of the base circle. Let's look at the procedure to develop a cylinder with a problem. A cylinder of base circle diameter 50 mm and height 75 mm is resting on its base on HP, which is cut by a plane perpendicular to VP and 45-degree inclined to HP, and is passing through a point on the left end of the diameter of top face. Draw the development of the bottom portion of the cylinder. We can see that base is resting on HP, the section plane which is 45-degree inclined to HP, and is passing through the left end of the top face. We need to develop the remaining bottom portion of the cylinder. Let's start with the orthography projection of the solid. Reference line XY. The top view of the cylinder, circle with diameter 50 mm. Let's divide the base circle into convenient number of portions. Here I am taking 8 portions. Name the built-up points on the base circle and the axis. Here I am using same naming for the bottom and top faces for the convenience. We can use different names also, but it's not compulsory. Project the points to draw the front view. Axis height is given 75 mm. Let's locate the section plane, which is 45-degree inclined to HP and passing through the left end of the top face. To find the section points on the solid, start from any of the extreme end, move along the section plane and find the section points on the visible edges first. Section plane meets the built-up edge AA at point 1, BB at point 2, and so on. After completing the visible edges, go back through the section plane to find the section points on the hidden edges. FF at point 6, GG at point 7, HH at point 8. Let's start developing the cylinder. As we seen that, the pattern of the cylinder will be a rectangle with length as the perimeter of base circle. Starting with edge AA, the stretch out length will be the perimeter of the base circle, that means 2 pi r, 2 into 3.14 into the radius, that means 25 mm, which will yield 157 mm. Now we have to divide the pattern into 8 equal portions. Let's look at the method to divide a line into number of equal portions. We need 8 equal portions here. So draw a line at any angle having a length which is multiple of 8. Let's say 16 centimeter, which is a multiple of 8. You can use 4 centimeter, 8, 16, 32, whatever. We can easily divide this 16 centimeter into 8 portion with the use of a simple scale. Now join the ends of the line. We will make use of this line to divide the pattern. And then draw the lines through the points that we divided parallel to the end line. Make sure that every lines are parallel to the end line to get equally spaced portions. Complete the pattern. Let's mark the section points on the pattern. Point 1 on AA, point 2 on BB, and so on. Join the points with smooth curve as the base of the cylinder is a circle.